Since we are living on board Alila, I am fortunate to have a lot of time on my hands and to be aware of the nature around us and what we can make from it. For example, coconuts are everywhere. They float alongside the boat, or in this case, I can just pick them up on the beach. Peeling them is hard. Oops, not easy, and needs quite a lot of strength. To open them neatly, you have to hit on the right spot. How white they are inside, so beautiful and clean. I have this special Polynesian scraper I use to get the coconut out of the shell, and I scrape it, of course, into a basket made out of palm leaves. Everything natural. Hard work, and it takes a while. Now look at this. This is a lot of scraped coconut. This gives lots of creamy and tasty coconut milk. I just press it through a piece of cotton, and I tell you, it is so much better and much tastier than out of tin. Now I introduce you to one of my favorite recipes, ceviche, which makes use of our freshly made coconut milk. The ceviche is served in my self-made coconut bowls. I show you in a moment how to make them. So we have our onions, tomatoes, peppers and the beautiful mango I harvested by myself, and the sweetest pineapples from Morea. Tuna, freshly caught, trawling behind the boat, first frozen and now soaked in lime juice. Now we mix all the ingredients together. Yummy! This looks so good! Can't wait to eat it. Mike loves his dried tomatoes. Ginger is a very, very important ingredient, and the red pepper gives an exotic kind of sweet taste. Salt and pepper, of course. And the best of all, I add my own coconut milk. What a pleasure to eat this out of the coconut bowls I made myself. We drink a nice ice-cold dry wine along with it, and all of this against the setting of a coconut paradise. Now I show you how to make these beautiful bowls. We have the two halves, which first have to be cleaned on the outside, and we have to take out the rest of the coconut meat, making them even on the top and flatten the bottom so they can sit on the table. Lots of sanding inside and out to get them smooth and bring out the patterns of nature in the coconut. By flattening the bottom, mostly appears a hole in the bottom of the bowl. Having lots of resin on the boat, I decided this to be the right material to fill this hole. For the right color, I mix the resin with coconut dust created from sanding. I pour it in, let it dry, and voila, the bowl is done. Again a little sanding, and then for protection and to get the right color, I soak it with our good olive oil we still have from Mallorca. Isn't that fun with coconuts? I love to do it, and I use them for food presentation, jewelry, or just to keep my shells I collected on the outer reef.
Raoul